This is how you can create your Airbrush banner on the Banner Builder, starting from a template. On the home page, go to the Sports Team Banner section in the center. Option 1 is where you will choose the Banner Builder by clicking on Click Here to begin. This will take you to the options for vinyl, airbrush, or fabric. Vinyl and fabric are both digitally printed, and airbrush is hand-painted on felt by artists. Choose the sport under the style of banner you want, in this case airbrush, then click on Go. This will take you to a page that explains what can and cannot be done on an airbrush banner. Please read this section when you're ready to start your banner. Then click on the green area to go to the next step. A pop-up appears that talks about possible computer issues. Please read this before you actually start creating your banner. Then click on Close to continue. Once you have created and saved a banner, you'll be able to reopen it by clicking on the Open My Saved File template. When you're just starting though, you first want to look through our templates to check out the possibilities. The templates are completely changeable and are intended to give you a place to start. When you find a template that you like, click on it to open it in the Banner Builder. If at this point your computer goes to a completely white screen, click on the back arrow and read the information at the top about Adobe Flash. All the parts of the banner that show on your screen can be changed. If you want to check out other background possibilities, click on the background button at the top. Scroll down to see the other choices. If you see something that you want to try out, click on it. You can always re-choose the first background. Once you've decided on your background, look at the art. For an airbrush banner, you are allowed one piece of clip art plus the team name. There is an additional charge for extra art. So you can change the art that you have or merely resize it or recolor it. Click on clip art to see your other choices. If you see something that you want to try, click on it. It will appear on your banner in the center. If you think you like this better, you can take out the other art by clicking on it and hitting the delete button below the banner. Be sure when you click on an object that you have selected the correct thing. There will be squares that are around the outside of the item. To resize the new object, click on it. Make sure the Maintain Height to Width Ratio button is checked if you want to resize and keep your proportion correct. Use your mouse to hover over one of the squares that show the boundaries, and when it turns turquoise, click and hold, then pull to make the clip art larger or smaller. When you get it to the size that you want, you can then reposition it by clicking, holding, and moving it around. To change the colors on your clip art, use our zoom in button to get closer to the art. Click on the area that you want to change, then choose your new color from the palette on the left. Go ahead and click on her shirt, and we're going to change that to the lighter pink. We're also going to change the colors on our team name because we want that to match our team colors. Click on the yellow, choose the light pink, click on the orange, and make that the hot pink. Now go to your the normal view button so you'll be able to see your banner the way it should be. If you want to change your team name, go to the Style Team Name button and click on that to choose the other options. If you want to change the accessory that goes with the player names, click on one of the players, and then go to the Accessories button. You can browse through until you find something that works for your banner. When you have chosen the one that you want, click on it, and it will replace the accessory for that player. Delete the other player names, and then click on the new player and hit the copy button until you have enough for your banner, and then put them into position. Once they're all in position, then you're going to click on one of them. You'll see that the name is in the text box on the left. Go ahead and highlight that and change it to your player name. Continue to do so for each of the players until you have all of your players' names in your banner. Now we're going to change all of the additional text on the banner. All text except team names are handwritten in black by the artist. Use the digital strip font to most correctly represent what you will get. Change each of the names that you need to change. You can also add additional text by clicking on the text button directly below the banner and typing in your new text on the text field on the left. Change the font to digital strip and move it around to where you want to go. You can also delete anything you don't need. Now save your banner. Click on Save My Design, type your email address into the first section, don't hit enter on your keyboard. Instead, mouse click on team name once you've entered your email and enter your team name. If you'll be making changes, you might want to number them 1, 2, 3 as you go so you can keep track. Then mouse click on Save My Design. The builder will tell you when your banner is saved. You can email your banner to yourself or to other team parents. And when you're ready to check out, click on Add My Design to Cart. You can print it if you want. Say yes to Did you save your file? This will take you to the cart where you can add a pull set if you need to. Click on View Cart, and this will take you to the place where you can review your banner. So click on Review Proof, and that'll let you look at it and check and make sure it's good. You can't make any changes at this point, but then go ahead and go to Checkout, and that'll take you to the place where you put in your credit card information.